Good morning, and I just woke up. I didn't manage to record a diary and record a video for today or for the 9th. So it's currently 23. So I usually record it around 8 a.m. and it's 12 or 11 p.m. And yeah, I will be eating right now, and there's a lot of shrimp here and I wanna eat that. And also this is the rice. As you know, I eat a lot of rice, or I usually eat rice and then a side dish or viand as we call them. And then here, it's not Nesquik, it's oats. So I did got it at work, or at least I bring it at work, and then I tried to do that or to eat it there, but I didn't manage to eat most of the time, especially when I do my workout and then go to work. So right now I just want to take my time. We have a lot of food in this fridge, and yeah, that's it. I will be writing my diary later because I just want to have a diary recorded or a video recorded on the 9th, so that I can consistently produce videos. And as of right now, I'm just a little bit sleepy yet still because um I just woke up. I didn't brush my teeth yet, so I just gurgled some water and then wash my face. But I after recording this video, so I just wanna mm, meet the January 9 video requirement. Not requirement, but my target. And then yeah, that's it. So that's all. Goodbye.